Hi students, today we are going to see our lesson number 2 part, that is the plants structure and function. From this we have learned the roots, stem, leaves. This part is over. Now today we will see the flowers and the fruit. So see the flower. Take a hibiscus flower for our study and you have to see it very carefully. Now detach the each part of a flower very slowly because flowers are very delicate, and observe the part of flowers. You will see parts like this way in the picture shown. Now see the parts of the flower. Flowers may have a long or short stalk. It is called pedicel. One end of the pedicel is attached to the stem. It is in green color. The other end of the pedicel is expanded and swollen, means it is big, it is little. It is called the recipital. It is the petals. On the what is the work of recipital? Petals and other parts of the flowers are supported on this recipital. Okay, now what other parts are there? Means calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. These are the different parts of the flower. They supported by the recipital. Okay, now one by one we will see the parts of the flowers. Now which parts I told you? 4 main parts are there: calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Now first is the calyx. What is the calyx? In the bud condition, the petals are covered by the leaf-like part. It is called the sepals, and which are green in color. Means bud. Suppose you take a rose plant for the study, and when it is in the bud condition, that time green colors cover is there on the bud, and inside petals are there. That outer covering is called the calyx. They form the calyx. It is in green color. Now next one is that corolla. This is made up of colorful part is called petals. Observe the shapes, color and the smell of the corolla of various flowers. Now see, we have to take different flowers in your from your garden. Now see, if you take a hibiscus or mogra, kanher, rose, tagar, different flowers you take and see their color. Each flower is having different color: white, white, red, pink, different colors are there. This is the corolla. And shapes also different. Every petal shape is different. Rose flowers petals are very small. Hibiscus little big one. If you take the sunflower flower for the study, its corolla is longer. Like this way it is a different in shape. Now if you observe the smell, the fragrance of each flower is also different. So by this we can identify the plants also with its smell. Now next part, that is the androecium. This is a male reproductive part of the flower. It consists of stamens. Each stamen is made up of anther and the filament. It is shown in the circle. See there in the picture, it is shown there. The small part is there. Small part is there here in the circle. That is the here, and names are given in the picture also. That is anther is there, filament is there. Now next part of the flower, that is the gynoecium. This is the female reproductive part of the flower. This is made up of carpels. A carpel consists of a stigma, style and ovary. When you will go in the next classes, you will study this all in the details. Now today means, now this age means in the 7th standard you have to see the main parts of this flower, means calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Basic information you will get, and when you go next year you will see the details, what is the work of these all the things. Now next activity is there. Take a vertical section of a hibiscus flower with the help of sharp blade shown in the figure. By the cutting the flower vertically from the stigma to pedicel, both the section of the flower will see the both the parts are same, means a symmetry is there. How we study the symmetry, like this way it is there. After a maturity, anther burst and the pollen grains which are released fall on the stigma. This process is called the pollination. And due to pollination, ovules means eggshells in the ovary get fertilized. And after fertilized, these ovules form the seeds and the ovary develop into the fruit. Means after this pollination process, the flower is converted into the fruits and that plant get the fruit. Mango tree also have the blossom, means which fruits we eat. Before that they was in the flower condition, and then after pollination they become a fruit, small fruit to big fruit there. Now next part, that is our, we have to see, that is the fruits. We eat many different types of fruits. Each type of fruit has its own characteristic. Own characteristics means its color is different, taste is different, shape, size, everything is different in every fruit. That is the characteristic of that fruit. There are variation in their shape, color, taste, etc. And in the mango contain only one seed, whereas the jackfruit consists of many small fruitlets, or you can see the watermelon, you can see papaya. There are many seeds are there. Now observe the fruit of pear, jujubas, mango, chiku, apple, etc. What do you observe? Each fruit has a different skin or shell, fleshy part and seed. In case of fruit like a cashew, its seed is outside the fruit. Okay, now it is, you have to observe. I already observed many different fruits, and you know the characteristics of the fruits of each fruit. Now next activity is there. Soak the seeds of pea, wheat, rice, jowar, groundnut in a water for 3 to 4 hours and press the seeds with your fingers and observe them. Which seeds get divided into two equal parts. Now you will see the our groundnut. If you groundnut open it with the finger, then you will see the two parts are there. But when you will press the rice seed, then you will not get the two parts. Means what you understand by this activity? Some seeds are divided into two equal parts, and some seeds are not divided into any parts. Means equal parts, no any parts. Seeds we get divided into two equal parts, they are called the dicotyledons. In previous video I told you dicotyledon and monocotyledons. So two equal parts, dicotyledons seeds. The seeds which do not divide into two equal parts, they are called the monocotyledon seeds. Okay, understand? You have to read the lesson very carefully and see the all characteristics of the plants, flowers, leaves, roots. Study in detail, and next video we will solve the exercise. And still that, if you get the answer, you write in your notebook. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.